Every fall it happens again. Less sunlight, lower energy, heavier mood. We call it seasonal blues. But what if it's not just the weather? It's your brain chemistry. By the end of this video, you'll understand where normal stress ends and seasonal depression begins. The real question is, why does fall hit us so hard, and what can you actually do about it? Here's what matters first. Autumn isn't just aesthetic. Shorter daylight hours can disrupt circadian rhythms and increase physiological stress responses. Sleep shifts, energy drops, motivation weakens, but stress itself is not automatically harmful. And that distinction is critical. Stress can be useful. Here's the unexpected part. Stress is an adaptive mechanism. It mobilizes attention and action. Without it, we would slow down dramatically during darker months. The problem begins when stress becomes chronic. And that's when brain chemistry enters the conversation. Sunlight, serotonin, and mood. Let's talk science. Reduced sunlight exposure can influence serotonin pathways, systems involved in mood regulation, sleep, and motivation. When these systems become less active, people may experience fatigue, irritability, or emotional flatness. But not every low mood equals depression, and this is where clarity matters. Seasonal blues versus seasonal affective disorder. This is the line most people confuse. Seasonal blues are temporary mood dips. You still function. You go to work. You meet responsibilities, even if it feels harder. Seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, is a clinical condition. It includes persistent low mood, sleep disruption, appetite changes, reduced concentration, and loss of interest in activities. If symptoms last for weeks and interfere with daily life, professional support is important, because that's no longer just a bad week. Who is more vulnerable? There's another layer. SAD is diagnosed more frequently in women, and it is more common in regions with limited winter daylight. Age also matters. Symptoms often become less intense over time. This tells us something important. Light exposure is not symbolic, it is biological. But here's the hopeful part. What actually helps? You're not powerless. Regular sleep schedules, daily physical activity, morning light exposure, outdoor walks, even in cold weather, social interaction. Light therapy is also supported by research as a treatment for seasonal depression. What does not help? Alcohol. It disrupts sleep architecture and can worsen depressive symptoms. Your brain responds to behavior, which means behavior can shift the chemistry. The core insight. What we casually call fall depression is often the brain adjusting to environmental change. But seasonal affective disorder is a medical condition, not a personality flaw. Autumn is not punishing you. Your nervous system is adapting to light, and the more you understand that mechanism, the more control you gain over it.